Introduction to using the Panasonic HVX200 camera with Avid Media Composer. With Avid, editing footage captured with the HVX200 camera is fast and easy. Avid systems use the same native file format as Panasonic P2 memory cards, so there's no need for any transcode, capture, or file conversion process at all. You can edit directly and immediately from the P2 cards if you'd like, or have Avid Media Composer create a rapid backup of your files. Nothing could be simpler or more immediate. In addition to providing the fastest path from shooting to editing, the Avid P2 workflow also integrates P2 formats directly, so you don't have to shuttle through tapes looking for a shot. It imports metadata automatically into the Avid bin, supports P2 media natively over 24p as well as 60i, and provides an easy mechanism to copy the P2 media to Avid local or shared storage so you can reuse your P2 cards as quickly as possible. The sections that follow introduce the specific workflow for the Panasonic HVX200 P2 camera and Avid Media Composer version 2.7 onwards. Earlier versions of Media Composer do support more basic P2 workflows. Please consult the product documentation for details. Choosing format and frame rate. Since the Panasonic HVX200 camera can originate 21 different format and frame rate combinations, one of the most important decisions you'll need to make before your project begins shooting is what frame rate and format you will use. Go to avid.com/p2formats to ensure that the frame rate and format combination you are using is compatible with Media Composer and therefore which Avid project type you'll be using for post-production. With this crucial step completed, it is now time to set up your camera for the smoothest production workflow. As a reminder, we have chosen Panasonic format 24pn. This material can be edited natively in a 720p 23976 Avid project type, or edited as DNx HD media in a 1080p 23976 Avid project type. First, on the HVX200 camera, go to menu number 5, Recording Setup. Choose Record Format. For example, to shoot 24p, select 720p 24pn. Next, again in menu number 5, Recording Setup, choose User Bit Mode. Select Frame Rate. Next on the camera, go to menu number 1, Scene File. Choose Operation Type and select Film Cam. And then finally, go back to menu number 1, Scene File, choose Frame Rate, and in this particular case, select 24. This is actually where you would select for overcranking or undercranking in the native mode on the camera. Now, while there are many other checks and preparations to make prior to shooting, taking these basic steps will ensure that the metadata associated with your clips is usable and complete for post-production using Avid Media Composer.